In this video, I'm going to show you how you can add Facebook reviews to your website on WordPress. So for that, we need WordPress and we also need a website called Elsite. Elsite.com is going to help us add the Facebook review. So you want to click on widgets right there, and then right there you'll find, let's see, social. That's not where you want to look. You want to go to reviews and then find Facebook reviews, which is right there and it's trending. So click on Facebook reviews. Next up, click on create widget at the top right corner, and you can then choose a template. So you can go with this one, you can go with this one, that one, just choose the one that you like. So I'm just going to go with this one, and then click on continue with this template right there. Right there you then need to connect to Facebook so that you can actually get your own reviews. You can give it a title, change the language and all of that. So I recommend customizing this so that it fits for you. And once you're done doing that, you want to click on join to install and sign up for an account. I already have an account, so I'm going to click on login. Now once you do that, it should actually send you back to the page where you need to click on save. And then next up, you have created your widget. All you need to do is click on add to website, click to copy, go to WordPress, click on the plus icon, click on shortcode and paste that in there. Click on preview, and it should then show up. So that's pretty much how you can do this. Now if you want to get rid of the watermarks, you would have to go with a paid plan, but that's up to you guys. I'm just using the free one. So once you sign up, you can choose any of these. Okay, so it's not even that much, and this is not just for the Facebook review widget. You can use all widgets on their website, and they have tons of them. But that's how you can do this. If this video helps you out, leave a like, and then I'll see you